Hey yo, what's up, squad? We back at it with another video. We got Washington State body cam, the Cadillac converter death. Let's get into this video. It's late at night. It's like, well, sun finna start setting soon, so yeah, let's get into it.
What? It's going to be told. Okay, are you a property man?
Dude really hiding underneath the Cadillac, the FX4. And why is you stealing old Cadillac converter pickup trucks? Hey, whatever, cause you know nowadays them newer cars they got the whole remote thing, and plus it'd be even harder to try to like wire tap those ones. So the newer ones you don't even have to use a key. You just push the button and it automatically start up. So yeah.
No. Okay, is this your car?
Yeah, it's gonna be too.
Okay, is this your car?
That's somebody I know. It's gonna be towed.
Why is you under somebody you know's car? That ain't your car, and that ain't nobody you know's car. Somebody had seen him outside trying to pick the door.
Can you come out? Can you come out and talk to me?
Oh, he probably got caught on camera trying to pick this Cadillac car, this pickup truck car.
I'll let you know you're being audio and video recorded, okay? Okay.
Yeah, what's up?
Because somebody who knows the owner of the truck says
It's gonna be towed.
Why is it gonna be towed if it's in the right parking spot?
okay. Do you have ID?
No, not on me.
Okay. So who owns the truck?
He don't. Why would the police ask him that? He don't even know who owns that car. This dude was out there trying to find him an easy lick and pick up a pickup truck. He was finna be gone with that car.
I just cash on it.
And nowadays in them older vehicles, it be mostly people that's from LA that be stealing them old pickup trucks and them old type of cars that you could easily break into and wire.
Okay, first, I was trying to get something that I'm missing. My truck.
Whose truck is it?
You don't know.
Don't name.
Okay. I thought you said you knew the owner of the truck.
Somebody told me that's gonna be towed. Right?
How did somebody told you? First of all, if you getting it towed, you should know who owns the truck, so that you can give to the person that, well, not necessarily. I know a lot of towing people don't even really kill. Literally, somebody had got their car towed just a while back. Dude was running after the tow truck man. Promise.
Yeah. So what are you taking off of it?
I was trying to get somebody stole my catalytic.
So you're
I was trying
taking
to get the tube.
so you're taking the catalytic converter?
No, they had no catalytic. At least a pipe. It's a pipe.
It's like a 41.
Yeah.
To be honest, I don't even believe he have no car. He just walked up there and trying to find him a pickup truck because he don't want to take that long walk back home. Before you had done this, you might as well should have just stole a bike. You doing all this, it's gonna put in you gonna have to put in much more amount of work to try to steal that big old pickup truck than it takes to take a 1 minute bike.
Hold on. Hey. No.
Unless the bike is hooked up and locked.
No,
That's what I'm
hey,
saying.
leave that. Put it down.
Why am I putting it down?
Wait.
Under arrest?
Bro, fix your body cam. Please.
I'm just picking up my stuff.
You got your whole body cam on this man back.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
I got it.
Okay.
You see how amazing God is? He stopped the dude that was finna steal this man's pickup truck. Well, the cameras caught it too, so.
Right here. If you try to move, you're going to the ground. You understand?
Must be nice.
I got a tape. Okay, just grab his arm.
I didn't.
Oh, she came in for the action too. Miss Police Officer came in for that action too. She ain't playing no games. She tired. She gonna hem the old dude up right now. Linwood Police. That gotta be in LA. Linwood.
I have my.
Don't reach for anything.
I have my ND right there.
Oh, you said you didn't
That
have
was
my
Linwood.
over here.
Is that necessary though? 3 police cars with 3 different polices to pull up on one guy that's still in the pickup truck? Now, it would have been cool if it was just one. It was just one police cruiser with 2 police in there. I promise that would have been cool, but all 3 police officers for one guy is crazy.
Okay, so right there.
It's cold. It's chilly as hell out there, huh? Cold as hell out there, and they still gotta work.
Okay.
Stop moving.
You gonna get shoot.
Stop this. Stop running. Stop running. I'm not freaking trying to get you stupid.
Okay, you're under arrest. You're
You know,
under arrest. Stop.
they're going to come up against you that very soon. Very soon. You freaking door is going to collapse. And then,
Yep. We heard that all before. Just stop moving before I don't have to tase you.
and then they have nations all over the world. All dictators. And they got militias also.
I promise I would have tased this dude, bro. Like,
According to the Bible.
hey, we got up in there. Oh, he put on them gloves. Okay. You know it's finna get serious when he started putting on the gloves.
Let's see, the Russians you're gonna shoot and play, you know? All with the advantage.
Can you talk to the RP? I think so.
I hope that's not even his wallet. I hope that's somebody else's wallet he stole. Ooh, you finna get it. Ooh. Well, I hope that.
You kill them, they're gonna be back to the house.
Sweep your drone area.
Oh! That dude had multiple IDs in there. I told you. What did I say? Ain't nobody that's wearing this weak raincoat literally underneath a pickup truck because he know he got caught and the police is on his way. So he tried to hide under the car that he was trying to steal, knowing darn well the police gonna check that car. And dude literally stole probably somebody else's wallet. He had multiple IDs in that wallet.
They are building, just read it.
It's crazy, bro.
There's no one escapes somebody.
They don't even look like no man wallet. They look like a whole female wallet. That dude's still.
It's a Polish nation, it's a bitch. You know, the USA is a bitch.
No, you don't have to be here.
No, I'm here because I'm trying to tell.
He said USA a bitch.
Tell this.
So,
No, I'm here because I'm trying to tell. No, the USA is a bitch.
how the hell is USA a bitch? So you saying the whole country of USA is a bitch?
No,
The
you
fuck?
don't have to be here.
No, I'm here because I'm trying to tell. God told me to tell you. To tell this.
How the hell did God tell you? Because I pray to God every night. And I don't hear nothing.
Stupid people that the Russians and the Chinese, you don't even know how this world works. You know the Jewish?
Bro, shut up. You was under a pickup truck and then you tried to lie and said the tow people was coming. Get out of here.
Jewish, time you might go to China or to military, you've been prepared for a while. If you want to take on the West is not run by America. It's run by the Jews.
Okay, let's just put
Okay?
it back. Berg, is this you?
Yeah,
Yeah. So why are you arresting me?
pass this.
I was trying to get something that I need from my car. I'm not a criminal, my friend. Check my record.
Yeah, so he was under there trying to remove probably the converter. Tried to say it was his or it was his friends. I asked and he said no name. He picked up his tool and tried to walk away. I'm like, nope.
So they had four police officers come out here for this dude.
Oh, yeah. But he wasn't talking.
No, he was gone by the time.
Man, I just wish the police would be faster for people that live in the hood, though. I swear, when you call the police in the hood, they be taking like, what, 10, 12, 13 minutes just to get to you. And I think the police be doing that on purpose. The police be waiting until after whatever goes on, then that's when they want to come. Either they gonna find your body laid out on the ground or somebody else. And then they have the nerve to get mad about, oh, you didn't have to do that, you could have waited. Did you have probable cause to use it?
There's like, yeah, he didn't mess up
The truck for a warrant.
the panels, so bench truck.
Damn.
From the,
Yesterday, so I think it
what was the report yesterday? What,
panel just ran forward. He said that's his flight.
do you mind taking primary on this?
Yeah.
And I'll do a.
What? Yeah, that's because in the fall.
It was a line with the police.
Yesterday,
Alright, that's the end of the video. You see, oop, they hit me on the ad. End of the video. Till next time, that's it. We up.